Hi there, my name is Camila and I'm making this little video just to introduce myself. So let's begin, shall we? So basically the first question is what qualifications do I have that fit in this position of virtual assistants? So basically the qualifications that I have is that I have 8 months of experience in the customer service area. In the past I have worked with a gas company. So in this work, what I was doing is like customer service. I recruit personal data from the customers and upload it to a database in a CRM. Also, I have the great ability to work like in a teamwork. Also, I have multitasking and critical thinking and a strong management of time. Also, I'm going to say that I'm currently taking a master's degree in international business. So yeah. Also, what I said before, what I was saying is that I have a lot of experience on database and CRMs tools. So the second question is what inspires me to be a virtual assistant. So basically, I think the main thing that inspires me is to learn all the processes and gather information and also experience of this area. I also love providing help to customers, agents, superior mind. Like I really love this part of being in a work. Also, I think I have very good communication skills. I love the customer service field. When I was back in the gas company, this was my primarily work. So yeah, I really enjoy it. And also, what I think is really important about this job is that the significant connections and networking that I will be doing. Like I want to impact on the others' lives and works on a positive way. So yeah. The third question is how would I stay organized or how would I manage my time? So I think the main thing here, like to have in consideration, is to have like a balance in your life, in your like personal life and in your work. So how do I stay organized? I think I can rely on like virtual tools such as keeping track of my activities in a virtual agenda or keeping track of my activities in a virtual calendar. Also using tools such as digital reminders, and I think the most important part as well is designing a schedule like every week or designing a schedule every day just to keep track and do some sort of checklist to make sure that all the processes of your day it is done by the end of that day. So yeah, what are my communication skills like? So my communication skills are like this. I have a very deep experience in customers, like I was saying before. Also, I'm a really empathetic person, so I think when it comes to a solution of a problem, I can be like empathize on my customer or the person who has a problem. Also, I'm very good listener. I have this actively listener, so make the communication a little bit assertive. Also, super helpful and super respectful when it comes to everyone else, like, and also I'm a good listener for when it comes to feedback providing. So yeah. And in conclusion of this question, I think my customers communication skills are really good. It is something that really that I'm passionate about like the customer service management. And I think it's a great way to have clear and a set of communication when it comes to a superior, a customer, or a agent, because this will give you like the right tools and the right communication channels to enhance a message. So yeah, and also a respectful feedback. So yeah. The next question is if I ever have like work in a project management tools. So yeah, I have worked in a lot of management tools, and so I was saying before, I have like a really great experience between databases and CRMs. Also, I have a lot of experience in management of the like Facebook site known as Business Suite. Also, I have experience with the Notion program. Have experience with the database of HubSpot. Also, I have experience with all the Microsoft Office tools and all the Adobe tools as well. So yeah. Next question is, what are my problem-solving skills and how would I apply them in a difficult situation? So my main problem skills are analysis, also empathy, critical thinking, effective and assertive communication. Also, I have like this rapid problem solving and like really fast decision making. But the question here is, how would I apply these skills in a difficult situation? Well, these skills, I will use them in a difficult situation in this sort of way. So basically, what I will do is like the person involved in the problem, I will try to make him, like the person, feel understood and also secure about our response. Also, we want a very assertive and effective communication because we don't want more misunderstandings on the message we are given. And also, it's very important. I think that always tell when a bad situation or a awkward situation between customers happen. It's always a good idea to tell my superiors and supervisors because it is more easy to find better solutions, and also we want to the customer be happy and peaceful with our last response. So yeah. Next question is, what administrative tasks am I comfortable about? So the list of administrative tasks that I'm really comfortable and also really passionate about is customer service, as I said along this video. Also CRM management or database management. I really love like scheduling and calendarize times and dates. So yeah. I also love managing data, research information and gathering information. Also, I love to do benchmarkings, and I also like to do document preparations. So yeah, this is like all the administrative tasks that I'm really comfortable to be doing. Well, the next question is if I have ever dealt with a difficult client, and the answer is yes. So back in the gas company, every day, like really every day, I dealt with difficult clients. And from my own perspective and from my own experience, I think the best way to handle these difficult situations is by empathize with the customer, like be in the customer's shoes. Because we want the customers to know that as a worker we understand their problem, and also besides this we need to find a really rapid and really quickly solution to the customer's problem. Also we want to know that we want to do like tell our supervisors about this problem, because maybe they'll find or we find as a teamwork a better solution. So yeah, I think it's also very important to like give the customer like a really good solution, because you want to the customer feels like you are a secure company, like who provides security, also who provides like a great customer experience. So yeah. Well, the next question here is how would I handle competing priorities? So I think the main thing you want to do in here is like rank and prioritize all your tasks, like rank the task from the most important to the least important and start working on that because you want to make your time more efficient. So also it's very important to create a schedule, like a weekly schedule or a daily schedule if you want. Also, it is very important to do a checklist to mark all your completed processes along the day. And also, it is very important, I think, to maintain a great life balance between your work and your personal life, and also remain an adaptable person and a really flexible and resilient person. So yeah. Last but not least, the last question, which is, what are my long-term goals as a virtual assistant? So basically, my main goal is to gather a lot of information, a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience of this position because I want to be grow up a more professional way and become a more professional woman. Also, I want to be part of a large company who provides me security, happiness, and financial stability to become more independent every day of my life. Also, I want to gather a lot of knowledge and experience to be on the leadership field and the process management field. Also, I want to make a positive impact in the company with my work, with my skills, and my abilities. And at last, we have innovation opportunities, which means you have to always be updated on your processes and your work and your daily activities to make your life easier and to make others' life easier. So yeah, this is my long-term goals as a virtual assistant, and how would I achieve them? So basically, the main key in here is to be persistent, to be intelligent, to be cooperative, and also be kind with your co-workers, and really afford some value, really high value to the company. By value, I mean your intelligence, your skills, and abilities. So yeah. Finally, we got to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I also hope this video fulfill all your expectations and needs. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.